So guys, we are at the floor stage. We are at the floor stage now. Oh, this is where the progress is now. Everything is done so far. So we're finishing with the floor. I'm sure you can all see how neat it's looking now after the plastering. Only the floor is left now. Eh, bamni watar kene. Angasa sana ni change. Ani mamipa. Aye, wakatambe chidara twape mari kutoka zvinobudere. This is where we are now. Kwani baba yakachinjwa screen yainzotora muchikamera zvadhako maini ndugu dziri condom isai half ndugu dziri condom paper plastic say half nongosina experience cha zvoda maguru izvinhu ela isusu takachimassage game chacho yakanzozara here muno
yaza ndo zvavari kuita kunechi
ya ndiri kumonya chamwari nasmall pressure pump nyama guys pressure pump nyama oh yes. Aumopinda busy yogadzira neyard manje. Nditonze panapa. Pakafara dararamba chibuda. Vazongo ndopa vazongo ndikundawo chete uzive papa pega. Wadu wapeisha sanodiro. Papa ngatina. Aina basi. Anenge nyeperwa nzi yafa yazoenda nepo yaibva sepa yange I think vachaisa kuchaisa ko saka unyepere kuti mota yafa vongotaura kuti tasaisa ko zvinosungise kuseri kune 1000 zviri right handiti next time tikandowana mari sekuri mauda kuti ndivhure hombe ka mauda kuti ndivhure hombe mositanga kundiseka handiti ka mauda kuti ndivhure hombe kuti muzonyatsondiseka muchenda kuchema aiwa kusimudza zvinosimudza sekuruba zvakawanda tikawedzera izvi times 2 muri kuiziva wani sekuri mambozoti nditorawo nehama dzangu dzinondida dzinoona mavhidhios adzesho tv mati kutengere 2 bags mati kutengere 1 bag. We see you are suffering. We must bless you with 1 bag cement, with 2 bags of cement, with chickens. Plus mansion ichangeri yawo nenge iri mansion emadiasporans toti kana vauya vasashaya pekusvikira. So yeah. Anyway, irimo sho irimo mchana maini asachaita so I'm not sure yet what we are going to use this for. All I know is we are going to wash them and keep them. I don't know for what. You guys please tell me what these are used for. I have no idea. All I know is we will need them for something. Chatozochera ndirikini mvremba na hanondirikini chazopesa jisiya chazozvake munopaa kutozera kiri kanyautesa mafuta muchibage vanenganzvenga matotadza kuchinja kaimi kanzone yangu Thanks, no. So, what we need now is to start cleaning our yards and start planting stuff fruits, herbs, trees. I planted something today, guys. I want to show you what I planted. This is what I planted today, so that when you guys visit, if you need it for different reasons, it will be there. I'm going to add more so that it will be enough for all of you. Things are all over here. Things are all over the place today. Oh. So thank you guys for supporting and watching of the videos. If you'd like to support, guys, please feel free to contact me. Please also don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. All my work is on you right now. I'm going to tell you about my philanthropy project soon that I want to start. My head is very full with ideas of things that I want to do. I'm a philanthropist, and if I'm not doing it, I feel like, you know, I'm lacking something, like there's something that I'm missing, and I'm honestly missing it. So since you guys are also supporting me, some are even financially supporting me, I'm sure you guys have also seen how fast this channel is growing. You're supporting me, you're liking, you're sharing my posts, and it's high time I also start doing my philanthropy now in Zimbabwe full time. So because of lack of resources, I may start by doing it every Sunday like I used to do in South Africa. I used to do it every Sunday. I would cook. That time I was driving, I would cook, pack food, and put them in my car, and then I will move around giving people food in the streets. So yeah, I may do the same thing, or I can start here in my village, start doing philanthropy in my village. So please support me, guys, so that I can make my dream come true. There are lots of people that I see, some on a daily basis, that I see they just need a touch of God, and I'm only praying that God touches your mind and your soul so that we can do this together. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for your support. Goodbye.